Hiya folks, it's Jeff Slevin here, and today we're going to be talking about occult status icon. So, if you want to know more, then stick around. Civivi Elementum has been around for a little while now, and they've actually done very, very well for themselves. So this is the box that it comes in. Nothing too special about it. It's just a box. But it does have a lifetime warranty. A limited lifetime warranty. Alright, we're going to take that out. And in here, we've got a carrying case. And that's pretty cool. Opening the case up, we have several items. I'll put the knife to one side for a second. So you're going to get a cleaning cloth, and if you like me, and you wear glasses, you use a lot of those buggers. We also have some warranty information and product use. We've got this thing here. It's a thing. And this Civivi Elementum sticker. That's actually quite cool. And then we have the knife itself, which comes in a bag here. And look at this baby here. That is a nice knife. So as you can see, all the hardware is pretty much blacked out. We have a lanyard hole here. We've got some jimping there on the blade. A nice deep pocket clip. And this is a flipper action only knife. And there you go. This particular version is a liner lock, as you can see here. And it's a flow-through design, as you can also see. It's a beautiful thing. Alright, let's get some specs out of the way. It's a 3-inch blade. So that's going to give you a 4-inch handle. Overall length of 7 inches, if you haven't guessed that by now. It has a weight of 2.75 ounces. Now, you can get these in all kinds of different scale materials. I got this one in the dark green micarta. And that's quite exciting for me because I've never had a pocket knife before that had micarta scales. So I'm quite interested to see how this is going to patina over time. So our blade is a satin finish. And as you can see, it is a hollow ground blade. Nice looking blade configuration as well. And as I stated before, liner lock. Now you can also get the Elementum 2 and the Elementum 2 button lock. So why did I go for the basic version, which is the liner lock? And that's just because I was looking for a basic, back to basics kind of EDC knife that I can swap out with some of the other stuff that I carry. And I'm very familiar with liner locks and very comfortable with liner locks. Nothing can really go wrong with them. And so this fits the bill just nice. Now let's do some size comparison here. This is my SOG Terminus XR. And as you can see, they're incredibly similar in size. I think this might be just slightly smaller, and that's because of the handle. And here it is next to the Milwaukee Fastback. And the Spyderco paramilitary too. So yeah, this is a nice little knife. Now you can get this in a variety of different scale materials. You can get it in G10, several different colors. You can get them in brass, copper, aluminum, I think, or aluminum, and wood, rosewood, and ebony. But yeah, like I said, I was after this for my cardamom, and here you go. So I'm going to carry this around for a few weeks, and just get used to it, and I'll let you know how we go with that. The flipping action is absolutely fantastic. Nice easy close on there. I'm loving the deep carry pocket clip, although it is right hand only, so if you're wrong-handed, you might have to take that into consideration. But okay, folks, they sold over 1 million of these so far, so that's got to say something. But that's going to do it for now. I'm probably going to really enjoy this. It might be something that you might enjoy as well. And there's a variety of different models, different steels, different handle materials. So just have a look around, see if something takes your fancy. Alright folks, that's going to do it for now. Until next time, this is Jeff Slavin's. Keep your knife sharp, and we'll talk to you again soon. And bye now.